Chat for business professionals. Let me show you how ChatGPT can help business professionals. Let's ask ChatGPT, reply to an email to decline an invitation to attend a networking event. Please reply to Mrs. Smith, VP of Sales. Writing style, clear, concise, experienced. Here is its response. Now let's try something more advanced. Let's ask ChatGPT, act as a seasoned executive. Propose an agenda for a meeting about daily issues of a small business in sports equipment distribution in the US. Describe in detail what to expect from the meeting. Provide the questions that will be raised during the meeting. Then the magic happens. As you can see, it provides a structured response to each request without hesitation. If you need to expand on each of the points, you can simply ask, expand on the first section. And the magic continues. This is the next frontier of AI, and it is happening now. Join the AI revolution and never miss an update. Subscribe to my channel now.